Meaning of driest.
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 Driest. The word driest is an adjective that describes something that lacks moisture or is very dry. It can be used to describe weather conditions, such as a dry climate or a lack of rainfall, as well as physical objects like food or skin that have lost their moisture. When something is at its driest, it is typically brittle and often prone to cracking or breaking. For example, a desert landscape may be considered the driest, with little to no visible water or vegetation present due to the lack of precipitation and high evaporation rates.